name is Vincent Rodriguez with Apex Pumping Equipment, and today I'd like to ask you a couple simple questions. Will your fire pump start when called to run? If not, what is at risk in your building? Are you exercising your fire pump as often as necessary? If not, the MD22 Fire Pump System Exerciser is your solution. Let me show you a little bit about the MD22. The MD22 is a fire pump system exerciser that offers the ability to exercise your fire pump on a weekly, monthly basis, or even as often as every day. By simply navigating through the touch screen, you can get to your exercise. The MD22 also offers your output alarms to be enabled or disabled. When I say output alarms, you're talking your fire pump running, power failure, phase reversal, coil failure, fail to start, high and low pressure alarms. At the same time, the MD22 offers you the ability to set an integral pressure transducer to start your fire pump controller if in the event your fire pump controller does not start through its pressure switch. You can also set your high and low pressure alarms right here on the screen. The MD22 will also allow you to set your exercise and be able to visualize, or should I say visually see, the exercises on the event and data log. For example, your insurance company would like to see how often you're exercising your system. It would show you when your exercise began, your fire pump running, your fire pump stopped, and your exercise is complete. An alarm history can be displayed by simply going into the alarm history screen. And last but not least, an advanced setup screen that will allow you to go into the screen and set up your weekly exercise by simply pressing a password. In here, you will see you can set it up for weekly or monthly, whichever you so desire. In here, you can also set up the system date, the system time, the pressure transducer range. If, for example, it's a high rise and you need a 0 to 600 pressure transducer. You can also set up your transducer offset, alarm output delay for the alarm, pressure delay, your password is shown, and last but not least, your annual fire pump test reminder. At the outside of the screen, you can see your F1, F2, F3, F4, and your escape buttons. The F1 screen will silence and reset your alarms. The F2 screen will allow you to do an automatic pressure drop start at any given time. The F3 screen will give you an audible and visual alarm check to make sure that everything is working. The F4 screen will allow you to program so that you can see the service contractor's information, so that if in the event you do get an alarm, you don't have to go back to your office, into your Rolodex, or into your computer, depending on how technical you are, and you can actually just view it right here on the screen. The escape button will always take you back to the main screen. That concludes the MD22. Stay tuned for part 2, which will provide you with more information regarding the MD22 Fire Pump System Exercise. Thank you, and have a great day.